Hello, this OpenSolar video takes you through generating proposals through OpenSolar. Once you've designed your systems, set pricing, and included payment options, you're ready to create and view an interactive proposal. If you select the MyEnergy button at the bottom of the page and have saved, you can continue and you'll be taken to your interactive proposal. The MyEnergy Zone is how your customer will see the proposal. First, they will see a customizable cover letter introducing them to the proposal. Continue to the proposal and you will see the system and payment options you've built out in the Studio Zone. As you move between different system options, you will see that all of the key figures change as you're moving to a new option. You can fully customize the content in this proposal within the control zone. As an overview, you are able to see your system hardware and materials, and any additional details on equipment if the manufacturer is an exhibitor on OpenSolar. You can see the system's performance, including consumption versus generation, as well as a daily energy profile that goes into daily energy flows. You can also see this on the battery level and see how your battery is charging as well as discharging. There's a nice graphic that goes into detail on what solar and battery can do for your customer if they're not super savvy with how solar and battery work. Again, changing as you're moving through system options. You'll see your electricity bill breakdown. So your old bill versus a new bill. And again, these are changing as you're going through options so you can highlight different financing options. You can also show detailed savings, breaking that down a bit more for your customer. Net financial impact is a great area to also highlight your different financing options and system options. This also has a detailed table that you can go into. You'll see your quotation summary, which will highlight your loan payments or a net system cost if you're showing cash. You're also able to include custom content blocks with text, images, as well as placeholders. At the bottom page, there's an area that you can include case studies, as well as more about your company. And of course, you can download the proposal as a PDF. If your customer wants to move forward and accept a proposal, you're able to enable this in the control zone. From here, you'll see the equipment as well as a total system price. You can also include your terms and conditions that a customer would have to accept, and you can even collect a signature. Thank you for watching this video, and you can now watch videos on how to customize your control zone and this proposal. Thank you.